What's up? Today, I in one of my friends' game. You see, this is Violetamom is game, guys. Violetamom is game, guys. This is his first game. Is half a mini game, and here is half firearms and elevators, guys. This is a mini building, guys. Look at the people is coming to this game. This game have the people 40 or 15 people is coming to this game, though. This is the first 10 people in the win. Wow, bro. Okay, it's okay. Oh, look, Derek is one of my friends. Derek, see? Kostak is other one. In Roblox Live Fun 1 is one of my friends, guys. Y this one is 2026. Guys, si you want to play with 2026, Roblox Live Fun 1, Kostaki or the rest is this four guys is one of my best friends, guys. He's coming to this game because he's my best friend and I inviting him. But guys, so you want to see him, but go to my profile and see. But guys, let's go see the elevators. Guys, look at my outfit. It's have a exit sign and fire alarm. This is the Wheelock RSS strobe. You know this fire of the 90s and 2000s. This is of the AS and NS strobe. But guys, let's go. Wait a minute. Okay, guys, let's go first to the elevator. This is the Otis Series 1. It's a bit of a fake, but you know. This is the other time this elevator is a Cortex 2020 back. And now it's a Otis Series 1, guys. In the elevator is this fan. I put this fan. See, guys. But guys, let's go testing the elevator. Otis Series 1. Very full. But guys, let's go to 4. Let's go try again. This game too, bro. Yo, mama. Nice. Well, guys, see this elevator in this game. No more elevators. And guys, I want to say something super serious. No pull the fire. Why you're not pull the fire in this game? I made that because the people is touch the firearms. See if it's my promotion. If the firearm is super hard to pull it. I know one to the people's pull the firearm. Oh, fun, guys. Y look, I doing from the people's not pull the fire. The guys keep turn on the fires from people kids have admin, huh? No pull firearms, okay? I'm super serious, huh? Look at that. See, it's Superman from the people's go scared. Look. You not can pull it. See? You not can do anything on the full station. Ha ha ha. If one people's crazy, is come pull it from fun. I don't like that. You look I'm doing because one people's going inside here is going. See, I have this lava pour because from the people's going kill because the people is not going inside here. The people is going inside here is from admin. In here I turn on the fire and look. The pull station is broken back. No people pull the fire alarm. No pull fire alarms. I cancel that. Look at that. This button. 2. Wait a minute. Enter. There we go. See, I control that in the panel. This is the Wheelock RSS, the same one that I have in my short, in my clothes. See, $75. This is fire from the 1997 something. Bro, this is the Wheelock MT, guys. Bro, so super cool. Oh no, one of my friends coming. Somebody's like March 9. Hilo. Bird. Normal. See guys. So cool. We just put our up the fire because so loud. Okay, there we go. And guys, I want to show you the machine. Wait a minute. Let's go show you the TV right now. Guys, this is my favorite one. Look, this one is my favorite one, guys. This one is my favorite. See? See, this is my favorite one. Yeah, I have other one, but I don't like. This one is my favorite one. The other one is my favorite too. This one, look. This one. You look, I'm doing, guys. Wait a minute. Keep me, guys. Whoa, white fly. Hey guys, now I want to show you this spending machines. My favorite one is 1B in the games, but I don't like much that. 1B. There we go. Now let's go to Coca-Cola. Yes. Bro, you want to see this room? Look, he's saying here. This room is from people is have admin only. I'm doing that because this room is from people who have admin only. Because one people is going here from fun, is going to activate the fires. I don't want that. Huh? This thing is putting on me. Bro. But guys, wait a minute. The guy is leaving, okay. Guys, this thing is worse, but this thing I don't know, guys. But guys, you're like, wait a minute. But guys, you like Violetamom's game? It's super cool. It have a Otis Series 1 elevator, and it have a Wheelock MT fire alarms. It have a TV and a spending machine. Yeah! The building have 4 floors. This is the best thing, guys. But guys, see you like this video, subscribe. Bye bye.